Dialogue 4.
What did you do today, John?
I went to the library and I read some books.
What did you read?
I read about dinosaurs.
Did you eat lunch?
Yes, I did.
What did you eat?
I ate pizza.
Was it good?
Yes, it was.
Future tense. Going to.
I am going to go home tomorrow.
I am going home tomorrow.
You are going to go to school next week.
You are going to school next week.
He is going to go to the store tonight.
He is going to the store tonight.
She is going to go to work tomorrow.
She is going to work tomorrow.
John is going to go to the park this afternoon.
John is going to the park this afternoon.
Mary is going to go to the mall this evening.
Mary is going to the mall this evening.
We are going to go to Paris next month.
We are going to Paris next month.
You are going to go to New York next Monday.
You are going to New York next Monday.
They are going to go to the restaurant on Saturday.
They are going to the restaurant on Saturday. What are you going to do next week?
I'm going to school.
What are you going to do next month?
We're going to Paris.
What are you going to do next Monday?
I'm going to New York.
What are they going to do Saturday?
They're going to the restaurant.
What is he going to do tonight?
He's going to the store.
What is she going to do tomorrow?
She's going to work.
What is John going to do this evening?
He's going to the park.
What is Mary going to do this morning?
She's going to the mall. When are you going to swim?
I'm going to swim this afternoon.
When are you going to go?
We're going to go this evening.
When are they going to work?
They're going to work Tuesday evening.
When is he going to play tennis?
He's going to play tennis tonight.
When is she going to sing?
She's going to sing Saturday.
When is John going home?
John's going home next month.
When is Mary going to come?
Mary's going to come next year. Are you going to eat?
Yes, I am.
Is he going to swim?
No, he isn't.
Is she going to come?
Yes, she is.
Is John going to sing?
No, he isn't.
Is Mary going to play tennis?
Yes, she is.
Are you going to work?
No, we aren't.